what's going on, guys? For those that don't know me, I'm Frisky Hug. I'm an EDM content creator. For today's video, I have kind of an unboxing, kind of just like a product overview from Heart Raves. So I have two bags that I'm going to just share with you guys to kind of show you some of the products that Heart Raves has on their website. The first one being is more of like a fanny pack. So I have this little bag here, so it's reflective. You can kind of see like the light shining on it. And if you don't want to carry it like a regular fanny pack, you can also carry it on the side. So it looks like you can probably make it a little longer. I haven't even pulled it all the way out yet. Or you just, you know, put it on your waist or however you want to do this. So I thought it'd be cool to have a reflective fanny bag type thing. Open it up inside, and it's just one pocket in total, and I believe it's water resistant too. So I don't know if it's waterproof. It feels waterproof. It doesn't really say it on the little list here. The second bag is a hydration bag. This one changes color whenever the light hits it. It's originally kind of like blackish if the light isn't hitting it. And looks like it has one main pocket here. It comes with your bladder. Not a big fan of the quality of the bladder though. And then it looks like the main pocket has two areas, one for your hydration and then the other side to kind of have some of your items in there. On top of the main compartment we have a side area, and inside there is just a small little pocket, probably for like your cell phones and stuff. I don't really know if I'd recommend putting your cell phone on the side of your camel bag where people can easily find it. I would probably put it in the main area so it's a little bit harder for thieves or EDM thieves. But anyways, guys, those are the two items that I got from Heart Raves. If you go on their website and you find something that you like, you could also use my discount code FriskyHug. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and we'll see you at the next one. If you aren't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give it a like. Love you guys. Until the next one. Bye.